let me show you how to knit one through the back loop. What this does is it twists the stitch so it'll have a different appearance, it'll stand up a little bit more. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to take your needle and instead of knitting the way you normally would, going up from the bottom up through the middle of the stitch, you're going to go down through the middle of the stitch, out the back. And then you're going to wrap the yarn as normal. You're going to pull the right hand needle out with the loop on it and release the left hand needle. And what you can see is that that base of that stitch has a twist in it that the normal stitch does not have. So let me do one normally, and now let's twist another stitch. So you're going to go, take your right hand needle, go from the top of the stitch through the middle of the stitch and out the back of the stitch, wrap the yarn, pull the right hand needle back through, release the left hand loop off of the left hand needle, and you've done another knit one through the back loop. And again, you can see that it's twisted, the base of the stitch is twisted, and the base of the stitch next to it is normal and it's not twisted. And that's how you do a knit one through the back loop.